Brain Explorers Go! The Hot Pot. Episode 1. Mom got a pot.
Mom got a pot.
The pot got hot.
The pot got hot.
Oh no, the lid fell off.
Oh no, the lid fell off.
The Dog and the Frog. Episode 2. The dog was hot.
The dog was hot.
He sat on a log.
He sat on a log.
Fog by the pond.
Fog by the pond.
Hop goes the frog.
Hop goes the frog.
Bob had a job. Episode 3. Bob had a job.
Bob had a job.
He had to mop.
He had to mop.
He did not stop.
He did not stop.
Well done, Bob.
Well done, Bob.
The Fox and the Box. Episode 4. The fox ran.
The fox ran.
The fox had a box.
The fox had a box.
Hop came the frog.
Hop came the frog.
They sat on the box.
They sat on the box.
Well done, you did it. Subscribe to practice and watch more videos.